Welcome to David Data Channel once again. Today's video we'll be continuing our SQL Intermediate Learning Series, and then we'll talk about the union all and do some practice questions on joins. Okay, so union all is like this. So you get all the results, all the records from a particular query, and union it, or you add it under the columns of under the records of another query. Let's say for example a query returned 3 rows column 3, and you have another query that has 1 2 3, and then you union all. So what will you be getting? You'll be getting 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, let's see 4 5 6. You'll be getting 1 2 3 and then 4 5 6. But then the columns here has to be the same column names here. So let's say we have order number from other details and orders from an order number from others. I want to union both of them. So very simply we could just say select order number from order details. Let's run this query. Sorry. Yeah, we have all the other numbers over more than 1000 rows, and then we do select order number from orders. So we run this one as well. We have about 326 rows. Let's say we do a union all now. Everything comes in together. That's basically union all, right? That is what it is. So let's just practice 1 or 2 questions here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so we have office codes and employees. So let's say let's get the distinct office codes, right? So let's say select distinct office code from offices. And we have 1 to 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's say we want to see the employees and the job titles in office space 1. So want the first name and job title and states of the office in office space 1. So let's say we'll say select e dot first name, e dot job title, what else, and let's see o dot state, right? That's all we need. Yep. Okay, let's do country instead. Dot country, right? And we say from e dot, or rather from employees inner join. We only want rows that are matched on both records. Inner join o offices o on. They have office code, right? So let's also using office code. So let's run this query here before we add our where clause, and let's see what we get. Yeah, so we have the first name, job title, and country of all people that match, employees that have office spaces, right? That match. So let's add a where clause saying that where office code is equal to 1. Wow. We have the president, VP sales, and all that. So let's say true. Just 2 people in office space 2. Let's put 3. 2 people as well in 3, and let's put 4 Wow, nice. So let's see whether there are employees that don't have office space. So we will say that we only get that from employees. We can get that from employees table. We can just say give me first name and last name of employees where office code is null. Right, let's see. Let's just do that quickly. Let's see, select first name, job title, from employees where office code is null. None. So all the employees have offices, right? So what else can we do finally? What else can we do? Lots of things. Product lines, product code. You have product line here, you can join here. So we can actually see the text description of a particular product, right? Yeah, that's something we can do. Well, let's find something cool. So let's see the total amount particular customer has paid. So let's say select customer name. So we join these two tables by what? Using customer number. Yeah. So let's see, select customer name. Select sales rep name. See dot this. Let's see, e dot first name as sales rep. What else we want? I want to get the states as well. See the states, and then we want to get the total amount paid. Let's see, some amount. P dot amount from customers. C. Let's do left join here. Left join. Employees E on C dot sales rep employee name, sales rep employee number, right, equal to E dot employee number left join, inner join, payments P on C dot customer number equal to P dot customer number. Let's see what we have here. Whoa, no, group by. Yeah, so we group by what do we group by? Let's group by customer name. Let's see, this is amount as amount. Let's group by customer name, sales rep. See, this will run. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. This is not complete. So we have sales rep and then state. Yeah, so we have the customers and the sales rep and their states and the sum of amounts these customers have paid. Yup, 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 yup. Yup, yup, yup. So it's something interesting. So we have nulls in the states because I did a left join. So we have customers one assigned to, and so let me do an inner join here and see. So it only bring people with like where there's a match in both sides. Yeah. Oh, we still have nulls as well. So these customers don't have states, but then they have amounts somehow, but they have sales reps as well. Yeah, so you can play around with this, right? The link to the dataset is on the description below, so just play around with it and see stuff you can do with it. Okay guys, till we meet again in the next video. Bye.